Today we will see what is F1 score. We will see what is F1 score, one example, which value is good for our score and how to interpret it. F1 score is the harmonic mean of precision and recall, and it gives a better measure of incorrectly classified cases than accuracy metric. If you don't know about accuracy metric and precision recall, I will give the previous video link in the description. So please go through it first and then see what is F1 score. The formula for F1 score is F1 equals to 2 into precision into recall divided by precision plus recall. Now let us take one example to understand precision, recall and accuracy and how it works. This symbol means these all are the prediction of our model, and this symbol means our model predicted it as ham, and this symbol means our model predicted it as spam. The email symbol for ham is this and the symbol for spam is this. Means this email is spam and actually this email is ham. So let us see what will be accuracy, precision and recall. Now accuracy is 8 by 13. Now how we got 8 by 13 I will tell you. Accuracy means how many prediction we got predicted correctly. Ignore the class whether it will be spam or ham. We will see how many prediction our model has correctly predicted. So let's see. First we will see this. It has predicted correctly. This email is ham and it has predicted correctly as this is safe. Now this email is spam. Now it has this symbol is for spam. So it has predicted correctly as spam. This symbol is for ham. So it has predicted correctly. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So total 8 predictions have correctly predicted by our model as spam or ham divided by this total number of predictions. These are the 13 instances and only 8 are predicted correctly, ignoring the classes spam or ham. Now what is precision? Precision, for calculating precision we need true positives and false positives. What is true positives? True positives here is 3. Why? Because our model has predicted it spam and actually email was also spam. So this is 1, this is 2 and this is 3. Means 3 emails which were spam and our model also predicted spam, means true positive is 3. What is false positive? Email was ham but our model predicted it as spam. So these 2 emails are ham. These 2 emails were ham but our model predicted it as spam. So false positive value is 2. What is precision? Precision means true positive divided by true positive plus false positive, means 3 divided by 5, which gives value of 0.6. Precision is how many positive, means in this example spam. How many spam we got predicted correctly out of total positives, whether it is true positive or false positive, means TP divided by TP plus FP. How many positives we predicted out of total positives, means in denominator we will include both true positives and false positive. Now what is recall? Recall is true positive divided by true positives plus false negative. So here true positive value is 3. 3 divided by 6, which gives 0.5. Recall is how many spam we predicted out of all spam. So we predicted here 3 spam. 1, 2 and 3 out of total spam. Means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So out of total 6 spam emails, we predicted 3 spam emails correctly. So which gives value of 0.5. Now hope you got the clear understanding of accuracy, precision and recall. Now let's see why we need F1 score. This is the confusion matrix of spam or ham. If you don't know confusion matrix, I will give the previous video link of confusion matrix in the description. So please first go through it and then come here. This is the loop for printing precision, accuracy, recall and F1 score. Here are the formulas. Precision equals to true positives divided by TP plus FP. Accuracy equals to TP plus TN divided by TP plus TN plus FP plus FN. Recall is true positives divided by true positives plus false negative. And F1 score is 2 into precision into recall divided by precision plus recall. So we will see what is the output. Here TP equals to 100 minus Fn minus Fp minus Tf. Why we have done this? Because the sum of Fn, Fp, Tf and Tp is 100. So if we want Tp out of this 4, minus it from 100. Here is the outcome of previous function. Here you can see that F1 is increasing in this manner and false negative is decreasing in this manner. Why? Because F1 score focuses on false negative and false positive. So minor change in false negative and false positive will directly affect the score of F1. As F1 is increasing, which shows ham is classified as spam, which is not suitable for our model. So we may lose some important email if it detected as spam, but actually it was ham. F1 score reaches at its best value 1 and worst value 0. It ranges from 0 to 1. Value can't go below 0 or above 1. Low F1 score is an indication of both poor precision and poor recall. Higher the F1 score, better the model. Good F1 score means that you have low positives and low false negatives. So, in use cases where you want to focus more on false negatives and false positives, the F1 score will be a good accuracy matrix for your model. Don't use accuracy as only a classification matrix for your model. Use F1 score. It will give us the harmonic mean of precision and recall. Precision and recall both have true positives in the numerator and different denominators. To average them, it really only makes sense to average their reciprocals, thus the harmonic mean. It punishes the extreme values more. To have high F1, you need to have both high precision and high recall. Low precision and recall will lead to low F1 score, and high precision and recall will lead to high F1 score. Let us see how to interpret it. F1 score will always be somewhere in between precision and recall, but it behaves differently. F1 score gives a larger weight to lower numbers as it penalizes the extreme values. When precision is 100 and recall is 0, F1 score will be 0. as it focuses more on false negative and false positive and not 50%. Let us see two classifiers. Classifier A has precision and recall both 80%. Classifier B has precision 60% and recall 100%. The mean of precision and recall is same for both the models, but when we use harmonic mean formula, which is F1 formula, the score of classifier A will be 80%, as both precision and recall is 80%, and for classifier B it will only be 75%, as precision has low value and recall has more value. So model B's low precision score pulled down its F1 score as it penalized the extreme values. It focuses on false negative and false positive. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.